video, we are going to look at about the workflow process of Goferjek DeliveryAll services. I have three different applications: the user, the provider and the store. Now I am going to log in using user, provider and store. We will provide a separate for the registration process. In the user application, now I am going to log in using my mobile number. Apart from this, the user log in using Google, Facebook or Apple account based on their convenience. In this provider application, now I am going to log in using my mobile number and password. In the store application, now I am going to log in using my mail ID and password. Now I am selecting the DeliveryAll services, enter the location and selecting the delivery option is also available. Now you can see the all type of delivery services. Now I am going to select the food delivery services. Now we are selecting the type of food and choosing the restaurant in which you are going to place by the order. In McDonald's store, we are going to choose the menu item and recipes. The food item is added to the cart. Now we are going to check the order details on the basket. Now I am going to change the location for our preference. I am going to select the deliver to door option to add to address details. We have two options, as soon as possible and schedule order option also available. Now I am selecting the schedule order option. Here you select the date and time for the scheduled delivery. Now I am going to select the as soon as possible. Once I am clicking to done option, the user can see the payment detail page. Now we have delivery as well as takeaway option available on the Goferjek. The delivery provider will leave your package outside door to select the contactless option, where the user can enter the promo code and avail the offer. Tips option is also available. The user can add the tip amount and process it along with the order. Now we are going to choose the preferred payment type for the order details. Now we are going to select the cash on delivery and placing the order. Now McDonald's store getting the new order notification. Once the store owner accepts the particular order, the order will be processed. The user can also see the recipient details on the upcoming page. The restaurant can call or message to the user. Once the order is ready, the store can select the order is ready option to process the food delivery. The delivery request sent to the provider in meantime. The nearby provider getting the delivery request, the store and the user can track the provider location. Upon accepting the request for provider, will reach the restaurant to pick up the food items. Now the provider will be confirming the order items and slide to start the trip. Once the provider reaches the user location, the provider will collect the cash and deliver the food items. Once the provider swipes to collectible cash, next to select the recipient details and gives rating to the user. Finally, the trip will be completed by the provider. The trip has been completed. The restaurant also gives reviews to the provider. In this, user gives a rating and comments to the both restaurant and the provider. In this provider application, the provider can be select the rating option to see the ratings and reviews to the both user and restaurant. So these are all the workflow process of Goferjek DeliveryAll services. Thank you.